Thank you very much for joining me. And if you are watching this video right now, it's because you clicked on an ad on Facebook talking about the replacement of your final expense policy, or you currently don't have a final expense policy and would like one. Well, we have a product that is awesome. It goes from 18 years old all the way to 75 years old for you to be able to qualify for this product. It doesn't expire until age 120. That means it's permanent coverage for you. This product, just like a whole life final expense product, it also builds up cash value that if you ever needed to, you could tap into, or after a certain period of time, 20, 30 years, if you wanted to take the cash out of the policy, you would be able to, allowing the policy to serve its purpose. God forbid you pass away. Now, most people want to make sure that this final expense policies are there so that you don't leave a burden for any family members or friends. But these amounts that are allowed through this product are actually larger and more affordable. So if it's within your budget, we might be able to get you more death benefit for potentially the same price you're paying now. I'm telling you, the product is great. You're gonna love it as long as we can qualify you. You don't have to be crazy healthy. You just gotta be pretty healthy to qualify. I'm happy to go over all the details and make sure that this is the best and better plan for you. Of course, we're gonna make it more affordable. We're gonna give you a trusted company, and we're gonna make sure that you are eligible for the plan. And if not, I will find a company that accepts you. Again, my name's Luis Moyano. I'm gonna help you with your life insurance policy. Expect a text message or a phone call from me, so please make sure I have the right phone number. I look forward to speaking to you, and I'll talk to you soon.